Guys, welcome to YouTube channel Foundation JEE. Today in this lecture we will learn about exponent. In exponent we will see guys what does mean by a base and exponent of a number. Okay, so guys, now first we start with the exponent. Okay, what does mean by here exponent? Okay guys, suppose here 2 to the power is 3. Okay, this number 2 is known as a base and the 3 is known as a exponent. Okay, or you guys say power of 3 here. Okay, so base. Okay, the number that is put on power is called base. Okay. So guys, here see which number is put on power. Okay, so you can easily say sir 2 is here base. Why? Because here power raised is guys 3. Okay, so which number we have raised power? 2. Okay, so second one is guys here the word you always listen, exponent. Okay, so how many similar number to be multiplied itself, okay, is called exponent. Okay, so guys, here see the 2 to power of 3. So which number, 2 number is here similar number to be multiplied how many times? 3 times. Okay, so here 3 is guys known as a exponent. Okay, now next one guys, here this one is equal to 8. Okay guys, if you remember certain rules of exponent, then it will easy to solve the maths problem. So guys, you say sir what are these rules? So see this one. So suppose guys, first one here a to the power of m, here dot a to power of n. Okay, so here dot is basically here guys in mathematics is a multiplication sign. You can write it by a cross, a to power of m cross a to power of n. Okay, so you can write on both way. Okay, so in maths problem the base of the number is same and it is raised by exponent. Here m and n are the exponent here. Okay, so we can take a common a of a base and add the exponent. Okay, so this one will be solution. Okay, see suppose guys here 2 to power of 3. Okay, and here dot or same base 2 to power of here guys suppose 2. Okay, so what we can write it as a 2 then 3 plus 2, so this one becomes 2 to the power of 5. Okay, so if we see this one is 8 or this one is 4, so this result is coming 32. Okay, if we multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, okay, so what will come, guys? This will also come 32. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So finally you will get this one. Okay, the second one is, guys, here see, a to power of m and then power of n. Okay, see, this one is 2. Okay, so this value will come what, guys? 8 to power of m into n. Okay, you can see this one also. Suppose a number is 3 here, or you can write this one 2. Okay, again you write here 3. Okay, so what we will get a value? Okay, so you can simply write it as a 3 to power of 2 into 3. So this is 3 to power of 6. Okay, or you will solve this one here. So you can write it as a 9 to power of 3. So what will come, guys, here? This one, and write it as a 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 3 times. So finally what you will get here? 729. Okay, or when you solve this one also you will get 729. Okay, so this way you can use this rule. Okay, next, guys, see the third one. Suppose here, if number is written like ab to power of n. Okay, so you can write it as a to power of n, b to power of n. Suppose a number is here 16 to power of, suppose 7. Okay, so you can write it as a 2 into 8 in bracket then 7. So you can write 2 to power of 7 into 8 to power of 7. Okay, so you can use this one. Okay, then next one, guys, fourth one. See, fourth one here, suppose a divided by b and the power is raised is n. Okay, so we can write it as a like this one also. Okay, you can see here, suppose some number is given like here 3 by 4. Okay, and its power is raised by 5. So you can write it as a 3 to power of 5 and 4 to power of 5. Okay, the next one, guys, fifth one. Suppose a number is like this one 1 by a. So you can write it as a to power of minus 1. Okay, why? Because here the nothing is given, then power is 1. So this number will go up, then you can write it as this one. So see how this will come. Okay, we can write it is like this one, or again if you guys here multiply by numerator a to power of minus 1 or denominator by a to power of minus 1, and then what can we write here? We can write here a to power of minus 1 or this one 1 or this one minus 1. Okay, so what we can write it as again a to power of minus 1 or a to power of 0. Okay, or this is a to power of minus 1. So this one is equal to 1. Okay, so this is finally this one. Okay, so whenever you will see this one, you can write like this one. Okay, 6 1, guys, see here, a divided by a to power of say m. Okay, so we can write it a to power of minus m. Okay, suppose 1 by 3 or power of 4 is given, so you can simply write it as a this one also. Okay, the seventh one, guys, suppose a number is written like this one, root of a. Okay, so you can write it as a 1 by 2. Okay, and for a general, guys, suppose n is here written or a is given, so you can write it as a 1 by n. Okay, eighth one rule, guys, here suppose under root of, suppose ab is written. Okay, so you can write it as a or multiply of root of b. Okay, suppose here root over 16 is written. Okay, so you can write it as a product of two number, 2 into 8. Okay, so you can write 2 into root over 8. Okay, or you can also write it as a, see here, if we write 4 into 4, so what you write it as a root over 4 into root over 4. Okay, so finally what you will get, 2 into 2, or this is equal to 4, or a square root of this 16 is also coming, guys, what here, 4 also. Okay, so guys, ninth rule is here, suppose a number is like given this one. Okay, so suppose this is 2 by 3 under root. Okay, so we can write it as a this one also. Okay, the 10th one, guys, rule is here, suppose here n then a whole to power of m. Okay, so what we write here, guys, first of all you see, you can write it as a then 1 by n. Okay, if you will take all in bracket, then again m, then what will come, a to power of m by n. Okay, so see one problem, how to solve this type of a problem. Okay, suppose here 8 is written, here 3 is also written, or 4 is here written, then how could you solve such type of problem? Okay, so we apply this rule, we write 8, then we can write it as a 1 by 3, or again this one is 4. Okay, what does mean by this one? So you have to find the cube root of 8. Okay, so basically what we do in this case, suppose this one 2, then this one 4, then again 2, or this one 2, so we can write it as a 2 into 2 into 2, or you can also write it as a 1 plus 1 plus 1, sir. Okay, because nothing is given in exponent term, so power is 1, so this is coming 2 to power of 3. Okay, so next, guys, here if we put here 2 to power of 3, then 1 by 3, or whole of power 4, so this 3 will cancel 1, or this will 1. Okay, means 3 1 ja 3, or 3 1 ja 3. Okay, so we can cut it, or finally this is 2 to power of 4, so solution is here 16. Okay, now these are the, guys, basic rules which you have to followed for solving the math problem. Okay, see the application of what we read in math problem. Okay, see here question is, guys, suppose one number, find value of x. Okay, the question is here 6 to the power of 3x plus 2 divided by 36, or this one is power x equal to 216. Okay, so how could you find this one? Means what will be the value of x. So guys, see here base is 6 here, or the power is this one. So we can search the possibility here whether the power of 6 is coming or not in other term, okay, in 36 and 216. So you know guys, we can write 36 equal to 6 into 6. So you can write it as a 6 to power of 2, okay. Now 216, okay. So this is a big number, or you don't remember this one, okay. So you do such exercises, okay, means you can do the factorization. So factorization, first we use the 2, okay, then what we will come here, 108, then 2 again guys, though then it is coming 54, then again 2, then it is coming 27, then this is 3, this is coming 9, or this is coming also 3, then 3, or if we write 3, then it is coming 1. So 216 factorization, you can write here 2 into 2 into 2, then 3 into 3 into 3, okay. So we can write this one equal to 2 to power of 3, and we can write it as a 3 to power of 3, okay. So what we read just now, we can write it as a 2 into 3 whole the power of 3. Why? Because ab to power of n equal to a to power of n and b to power of n. So now see how we are utilizing the facts of exponent we learned just before, okay. So we can write it as a 6 to power of 3. Now see, base of this term is 6 here, so all now bases can be written as base of 6, okay. So 36 can be written as 2 and whole to power of x, and this one can be written as this one, okay. So finally what you see here, now all the bases are here similar, okay. So again here division sign is written, so we can write it as a 3x plus 2 divided by 6 to the power of 2x equal to 6 to power of 3, okay. So this 2x will come in numerator, then what's happened, we can write it as a like this one, okay. And finally you can also equate this one by this one, okay. We can write, so this one will come what guys, see, we can write it as a x plus 2, okay, and this is coming guys what, 6 to power of 3. So finally what you will get, the base is common for the both sides, so we can equate the exponent term, okay. So finally x equal to what guys, 3 minus 2, okay, or this is equal to x equal to 1, okay. So this one is a solution for this question, okay. The next one guys, see one more example for this one. Suppose question number 2, a number is given like 3 by 2 whole to power of minus 4, then under root 9 by 4 equal to 3 by 2 or whole to power of 2x minus 1, okay. So find value of x. Okay, so what will be the value of x here? Okay, so we can write this one 3 to power of 2 minus 4. Guys, we can write it as like 9 by 4, or this one is a square root, so 1 by 2, or this one 3 by 2, or 2x minus 1. What we are doing here, we are seeing the base is 3 by 2, so we are making all the base first 3 by 2. So you can know here the 9 1 by 2, or 4 1 by 2. Okay, so basically a square root of this one 9 is equal to 3, or a square root of 4 is equal to 2. Okay, so next we can write it as a this one, or this is 3 by 2, then whole square, and 1 by 2. Okay, and further guys, you can equate this one. Okay, or this 2 cancel 1, so finally it is 1. Okay, so guys, finally what you see here, this term is coming 3 by 2. Okay, so we do all the exercises here finding this one. Okay, so this rule is verified. If you can do like this also, we can also write this one 3 by 2, or finally it is also coming 3 by 2. Okay, so its power is guys what, 1. Okay, and this is 3 by 2, or power is minus 4, or equal to 3 by 2, or 2x minus 1. So next what we write here, 3 by 2 or minus 4, and then this one is 1. So we can add 1, or this is 3 by 2, or this is 2x minus 1. Guys, see the base are same here now. Okay, so in next operation what we do, we can equate the exponent term now. See, because here base is same, so this can be written as minus 3 equal to 2x minus 1. So finally if we write 2x minus 1 equal to minus 3, or 2x equal to minus 3 plus 1, or this is minus 2, or finally x equal to what guys, minus 1. Why? Because here x equal to minus 2 by 2. Okay, so this is our solution. So we can verify whether our answer is correct or not. You can see here, even though base are same, so LHS equal to RHS or not. If we put here suppose 3 by 2, or 2 into minus 1, or then minus 1. So what will come here, 3 by 2, or minus 2, or minus 1. So finally you can write it as a 3 by 2 or minus 3. See, this one LHS and RHS is now equal. Okay, so value of x is here minus 1 is correct. Okay, so guys, this is all about the exponent, okay, which we use in maths. Okay.